Hello! Welcome to SuperBolter, where you can experience an amazing immersive 3D experience and imagine how your future dream home could look like in minutes. To begin, find and select your floor plan on SuperBolter. Give your 3D home a name. You can either find your newly added home in the My Homes page, or you can just dive in and open your 3D home. You'll now see your 3D home. To get a better look of your home, rotate the home to get a beautiful aerial view. To get a better, more personal perspective, click on the walkthrough button on the bottom right corner. Use the arrow keys and your mouse to move and look around and have an immersive in-house experience. To design a room, click on the All Rooms tab on the top left corner and select a room. In the top right side, click on Designs and you'll see a list of beautiful designs on the right. Select a design you like and click on Apply Design. This design gets applied to the 3D room. Now adjust the design to your space. Modify products according to your space and delete products you don't need. Personalize the design till you are happy. Similarly, design other rooms in the home. Some other interesting things you can do on SuperBolter are trying wallpapers and paints. Click on a wall. Select the wallpaper or paint option. Pick one from the wide collection and apply it to your walls. Let's add some artwork on the wall. Go to the painting sections, click on Try Product, and place it anywhere in the room. Let's change the flooring in the room. Click on the floor and select the type of flooring you like. Pick an option and click on the floor to apply. It's that simple. Add some lights in your home. And here is the moment of magic. Click on the light bulb and see your home in different light modes. Now, let's take a final look of your home. Click on the walkthrough button in the bottom right corner. Use your arrow keys to navigate. Doesn't this seem like fun? Just like that, you can design all the rooms within minutes and dive in this immersive feeling of experiencing your dream home. Click the link in the description or go to superbolter.com and try it for yourself.